Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard first, semester second book. Page number 17. Page number 17. We have completed third one. Third question, that is read and learn. There are 12 months in a year. After that, fourth, fill in the blanks with the correct months which I have asked you to write. And the fifth question is, identify the festivals, write their names, tell when we celebrate these festivals. What we have to do means, we have to identify ये कौन सा फेस्टिवल है, त्योहार है, और ये कौन से, इसको हम कब मनाते हैं. When we celebrate these festivals, we have to write. We have to write. So, this is Christmas. This is Christmas. Take down. This is Christmas. Right. CHRISTMAS. Christmas. Then write December. Christmas when we celebrate? In the month of December. 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 Christmas. 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 December. 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 Then see the picture. Yes. Which is this festival? See, we have put here lamp, आकाश दीवा जिसको बोलते हैं, आकाश दीप. हाँ, यहाँ पे हम पटाखे लगा रहे हैं, पटाखे, क्रैकर्स. और यहाँ पे देखो रंगोली निकाल रही है मम्मी. कौन सा फेस्टिवल है ये? दीपावली. यस, राइट. उसको दिवाली भी कहते हैं, दीपावली भी कहते हैं. से राइट. DIWALI. दिवाली. दिवाली. DIWALI. दिवाली. अक्टूबर. OCTO. अक्टूबर. OCTO. BER. अक्टूबर. बार. नवंबर. NOVEMBER. In the month of October or November, we celebrate Diwali. Diwali. Then, see this. What is this? Kite, flying kite. Okay? So, right here. Kite, KITE. Kite festival. FESTIVAL. Kite, KITE. Kite, FESTIVAL. Festival. January. 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 Now Onam. 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 See here. Onam. Onam. August. 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 You give one slanting line like this and write here September. SEPTEMBER. Slanting one middle line you give in the month of, or this is in the month of August or in the month of September. SEPTEMBER. ONAM. Onam. August. 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 Or September. 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 Now see here. This is Independence Day. Independence Day. Right. INDEPENDENCE. Independence, PENDENCE, Independence Day. Independence Day, that is August, 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 August. Okay, now we have completed page number 17, no? Now open page number 18. Page number 18. Activity grammar a and an. A and an. Read the sentences. Underline a and an as you read. As you read. A and an we have to underline. See here. An, a and an, they asked us to put a underline. We have to underline an or a. A apple is hanging from a tree. An apple is hanging from a tree. Where you have to underline here a and an? See here, a and an apple. An apple. Yes. A one is an, we have to an apple, and we have to underline. An apple, apple is hanging from a tree. From a tree. Yes. And you underline a an apple is hanging from, a is also is there, no? A tree. A also underline. B1. An elephant is roaming in a field. In a field. An elephant is roaming in a. A also is there. A field. Now here. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. Here you underline a, then an ink pot, an is there, and here a is there. Again a you have to underline. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. A and a. We have to underline a and an. Then an ox is standing on a box. On a box. Here an axe is standing on a box. On here a box. Box is given. A girl has an umbrella. A you have to underline a and also an umbrella. An umbrella. A and an. A girl has an umbrella. So see here. A1 is an apple is hanging from a tree. We have to underline an a and a. See here, an apple is hanging from a tree. An a tree. Only a. Then an elephant is roaming in a field. An a. A field. A you have to underline. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. A you have to underline, and you have to underline. A pen is there, a you have to underline. An ox is standing on a box. An ox is there, no? An ox, and you have to underline. A is there, a box, a you have to underline. A girl has an umbrella. A you have to underline, and an. A and an. A girl has an umbrella. A and an you have to underline. Read and remember. Read and remember, that is, use a if the word begins with a consonant. Begins with a consonant. And use, second B1 is, use an if the word begins with a vowel, that is A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Now, third one is, question number third is, write a or an in front of each of the given words. Each of the given words. If it is a consonant word, there you have to use a, and if there is a vowel words, there you have to use an. So I will show you. See here. A is a vowel. This is a vowel. ओके, वोवल A-E-I-O-U वोवल है, यहाँ पे तुम्हें एन लगाना है. जहाँ पे A-E-I-O-U आता है ना, वहाँ पे एन एप्पल ए. देखो, एलिफेंट एन एलिफेंट, देन एन इंक पॉट. ओ है ना, देखो इधर A-E-I-O. A-E-I-O जहाँ पे आता है A-E-I-O-U, वहाँ पे तुम्हें A-N लगाना है, क्योंकि ये वोवल से स्टार्ट होता है. वोवल, U ऑल्सो वोवल, वोवल से स्टार्ट होता है. वहाँ पे तुम्हें A-N अम्ब्रेला, एन अम्ब्रेला. यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या आता है, कॉन्सोनेंट, बिकॉज विथ a word begins with the consonant. A tree, a tree, a field, a boy. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तुम्हारा T A-E-I-O-U नहीं है. जहाँ use a if the word begins with the consonant word है. ये A-E-I-O छोड़कर जो भी आता है उसको consonants बोलते हैं. एंड दीज आर द वोवल्स. वोवल्स A-E-I-O-U जहाँ पे आता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें क्या करना है, एन लगाना है. देखो, ए पेन, ए हैन, एच तुम्हारा कॉन्सोनेंट आता है, एच. ई, देखो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या आएगा, एन एग. A-E-I-O वोवल में आता है ना, ये वोवल में जहाँ पे वोवल्स आता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें एन लगाना है. ए रोज, R-O-S-E रोज, ए रोज. ये R-B F, then T, then H, then P. these are the consonants. एंड वोवल्स जो है तुम्हारा, वोवल जो है वो A-E-I-O-U, ये जहाँ पे स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें एन लगाना है, एन लगाना है. और कॉन्सोनेंट्स के सामने तुम्हें क्या लगाना है, ए लगाना है. कॉन्सोनेंट के सामने ए लगाना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आइडेंटिफाई ईच पिक्चर, राइट देयर नेम्स यूजिंग ए और एन. ए और एन. एरोप्लेन, एरोप्लेन ए आता है ना, सो हियर यू व्हाट यू मस्ट राइट, एन एरोप्लेन. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, एन एरोप्लेन. A-E-I-O-U these are the vowel. वोवल में जब ए आया है इसलिए तुम्हें एन लगाना है. यू हैव टू यूज एन देयर. Then an aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, and this is igloo, an igloo, I-G-L-O-O, I-G-L-O-O. This is an umbrella, A-N umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And what is this? This is a watch, W-A-T-C H, watch. This is owl, O. This is an, an, owl, O-W-L, owl, an owl. This is, what is this? A mobile phone, A mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. This is phone, P-H-O-N-E, mobile phone. This is an apple, an apple, A-P-P-L-E. This is boat, A boat, B-O-A-T, not तुमच्या हाताचं बोट. Okay, not your finger boat. This is B-O-A-T, boat. This is a boat. An envelope, a swing. This way you have to say and write. What you have to write is, first one is an aeroplane, an igloo, an umbrella, a watch, an owl, a mobile phone, an apple, a boat, a boat. This way you have to say, read and write. Read and write. Now here what you have to do is, fifth one, write a or an. Write a or an. See here. A kite and an, an ilk, E-L-K, ilk, an ilk. A kite and an ilk. यहाँ पे तुम्हें ए एन क्यों लगाया है? क्योंकि ये काइट के जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट है और ई क्या है? ए ई आई ओ यू. दिस इज द ओवल एंड दिस इज द कॉन्सोनेंट. कॉन्सोनेंट के आगे ए लिखना है और ओवल के आगे तुम्हें क्या लिखना है? एन लिखना है. ओके. देन B1, ए पियानो एंड एन, an ostrich. A piano and an ostrich. Okay. A church and an igloo and an igloo. Can you see, no? A kite and an ilk, a piano and an ostrich, a church and an igloo, an orange and an ab, an orange and an ab. Then an angel and a lamb, a cow and an ice cream, See here. A kite and an ilk, a piano and an ostrich, a church and an igloo, an orange and an ab, an eagle and a lamb, a cow and an ice cream. जहाँ पे A-E-I-O-U का स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें एन लगाना है. जहाँ ए आता है, जहाँ कंसोनेंट आता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें ए लगाना है. जैसे के सी, आफ्टर दैट बी, यहाँ पे तुम्हें क्या करना है? ए लगाना है. और A-E-I जहाँ पे तुम्हें दिखता है ना वहाँ पे तुम्हें एन लगाना है. एंड लगाकर लिखना है. चैलेंज, राइट 3 sentences using a and an. Okay, so challenge is there. Now challenge is there. Write 3 sentences using a and an. A and an. And children, you should try to write in correct 4-line book. In correct 4-line book. I am drawing and showing you means what? Where to be written, you should know it properly. So, an eagle, EAGLE. Write 3 sentences using a and an. An eagle and a crow and a crow. And a crow. A and an, EAGLE, eagle. A and a crow are are flying. FLYING, flying in the here in THE in the sky. SKY, in the sky. Then again you should write. I am showing you, drawing and showing you means what? Lot of the children during exam time what they have done is they have not written in a correct line. We use, okay, see here. We use we use a and an umbrella, an umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella during DURING, during rainy season. Rainy, RAINY, rainy season, SEASON, during rainy season, full stop. Have you got it? And the third one is 3 only sentence they have asked, means we will write only 3. Okay. Purposely I am drawing and showing you, because exam time some children what they have done, here one line they have written, here one line and here one line. This is a red pen. This is a red pen. PEN, pen. This is a red pen. In this way you have to read and write. Okay children, now page number 20, unit test third. Rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. How's the a garden beautiful has. All Sunday rooms on cleaned the mother. This you have to write. Read the sentences, use capital letters and full stops. Capital letter and full stops. Raj and Renu are playing in the garden. This is a big banyan tree. This is a big banyan tree. Write a or an. मैंने अभी तुम्हें just पढ़ाया है. This is dash an apple. It is dash red apple. This is dash umbrella. It has dash handle. Use words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. We dash idli. Here given roast, fry, bake and steam. We dash cakes. We dash chapati. We dash puris. puris. This page number 20, you have to solve the unit test 3 paper. This is just like a class test paper and you have to write it. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you children. And your homework will be, yes, your homework will be from page number 17 to 20. 17 to 20, 2 times. Read and write. Read and write. Okay. Thank you children.